Hello and Aslama everyone. Today we are going to learn how to talk about Ramadan in Arabic. Not just single words, you'll understand what Ramadan means, important vocabulary, daily routine expression, and how to speak about your Ramadan goals. We will compare modern standard Arabic and Tunisian dialect so you can hear the difference clearly. Let's begin. First, what is Ramadan? In Arabic we say Ramadan. Ramadan is described as Al-Shahr al-Karim, the holy month. In Tunisian dialect, people often say Shahr al-Fdil. So you can say in modern standard Arabic, Ramadan هو الشهر الكريم, and in Tunisian we say Ramadan or Ramadan هو الشهر الفضيل. Now let's talk about fasting. In modern standard Arabic, as-sawm is fasting. However, in Tunisian we say siyam or soom. If you want to say I fast in modern standard Arabic, you say أنا أصوم. And in Tunisian we say أنا نصوم or directly نصوم. Notice the difference here. In standard Arabic we began with A, and in Tunisian we began with N. Now let's talk about important meals. The first is as-suhoor, and in Tunisian we say suhoor. And you have al-iftar in Arabic standard, and in Tunisian l'ftour or shaqan l'ftour. If you want to say I break the fast with my family in modern Arabic, you may say أفطر مع العائلة. In Tunisian we also say نفطر مع العائلة. The prayer is as-salat. So in standard Arabic it is Salat al-Tarawih after Isha. And if you want to say أصلي في المسجد, that's like I pray in the mosque. In Tunisian we say نصلي في الجامع. It is the same. Now let's describe some activities we do in the Ramadan. For instance, أستيقظ للسحور, I wake up for suhoor. In Tunisian we say نفيق للسحور. And also we can say I feel hungry, it's أشعر بالجوع or نحس بالجوع. Alright, so Ramadan is not only about food, it's also about discipline and self-control. Now let's talk about something very modern and trendy. Many people see Ramadan as a reset, a chance to improve themselves, so we are creating a goal for us in Ramadan. For instance, we want to change a bad habit. We say in standard Arabic أريد تغيير عادة سيئة. And in Tunisian we say نحب نبدل عادة خايبة. So Ramadan teaches us discipline, and that's a way of saying it in Arabic. It is Ramadan يعلمنا الانضباط. Now let's listen for a full paragraph, both in Arabic, standard Arabic, and in English. We start with Arabic, of course. في رمضان لدي هدف، أريد أن أحسن نفسي وأغير عادة سيئة، أصلي أكثر وأقرأ القرآن كل يوم. The translation is, in Ramadan, I have a goal. I want to improve myself and change a bad habit. I pray more and read the Quran every day. This is how you speak about Ramadan in Arabic naturally and meaningfully. Now I want you to practice. Write in the comment section one sentence about Ramadan goal in Arabic, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bislama.